Well, good morning. It's a beautiful day here in Phoenix. This bike has been sitting for a couple of weeks, and the client wants to come and pick it up tomorrow morning. So I decided to take one last test ride. Kevin had ridden it a couple weeks ago and said it's fine, running good, really nice bike, everything about it is okay. The new front brake works really well and will work better as it gets some more miles on it. Well, I just took it for a test ride around the neighborhood, and I'd like to say I concur. The bike is a nice bike. Started on the first kick, even though it's been sitting for a couple of weeks. Idled immediately. All the gears are smooth as glass. The brakes are, well, I was going to say great. The front brake is really good. First of all, the back brake is great. The front brake, which is new, is really good. We have a steep hill on the test ride route, and coming down the hill, I used that front brake and felt fully in control all the way down to the point where you get to the very bottom, you press a little harder and come to a stop, and everything worked perfectly. I have no problem at all with the front brake, but I do agree with Kevin that get some more miles on it, it'll get even better. So anyway, I'm really thrilled with this bike. I like this bike a lot. I have a sort of a soft spot for the older carburetors. I think that I actually think they're superior to the concentrics, but that's just the monoblock carbs. That's just a personal opinion. Now these I believe these are the new monoblocks. We bought a whole brand new set of the remade, I hate to say remade, the new monoblocks. They're selling new ones, and these are great. And I'm just happy as a clam with this motorcycle. So I'm going to send this video to the client and say, yes, you can pick your bike up tomorrow. And the only thing I'm going to say is ride it carefully for the first few days, get to feel the bike and get that front brake worn in all the way, and it's ready to go. I really like this motorcycle. So, from Phoenix, in this case, the fun just never stops. Good fun.